Hello everyone. So in this video we will discuss the questions of CPET Botany 2021 from question number 1 to 35. So question number 1. So the alga with multinucleated and siphonous vegetative thallus. So that siphonous and multinucleated thallus we will get in the Bacteria. So next question number 2. When the DNA of phage is transmitted to the host, so there is temporary period of disappearance of infectivity. So that period is known as latent period. Question number 3. The sexual reproduction in lichen involves. So the sexual reproduction involves mostly only the fungal partners only. Question number 4. Which of the following is the function of the suspensor of the embryo? So mostly, so it absorbs the nutrient. Question number 5. In an aquatic ecosystem, the highest population of organisms belongs to, so that will belongs to the phytoplankton. Question number 6. In a plant cell, the non-cellulosic polysaccharide, pectin, lignins and phenolic substances you will get in the interwall space. Question number 7. The primary centers of origin and secondary centers of diversity of crop plants, so that were proposed by Vavilov, N.I. Vavilov. Option A will be the correct one. Question number 8. The effect of ethylene can be inhibited. So this effect can be inhibited by the increase in concentration of CO2. So option B will be the correct one. Question number 9. Crossing over in diploid organism is responsible for, so that will responsible for the recombination of linked alleles. So option D will be the correct one. Question number 10. Two bacteria found to be very useful in genetic engineering experiment. So the bacteria are E. coli and Agrobacterium. So option B will be the correct one. Question number 11. The sexual reproduction in each of isogamous type. In some species of the genus you will get, that will be your Chlamydomonas. Option A will be the correct one. Question number 12. Epithelial origin of sporogenous tissue is seen in the sporophyte of Riccia. So mostly the Anthocerus is the correct one, since the Anthocerus is not in the option, so Riccia will be the most correct. Question number 13. The cortex of dicot stem is derived from the periblen. So cortex derived from the periblen. Question number 14. A taxonomic key that is prepared dichotomously taking one or more characters. So one or more characters involved in the dichotomy, that will be your single access key. So mostly dichotomy that is related to single access key. In the single access key we have the dichotomy. Question number 15. In a distribution with the mean and standard deviation of 40 and 2 respectively, mean is 40 and standard deviation is 2. So what is the coefficient of variation? So that will be 5. Coefficient of variation will be standard deviation by mean. So that will be 0.5. That will be denoted in the percentage. That will be 0.5%. Sorry, that will be 5%. So in groundnut seeds, the food is resolved as the protein and oil droplets. So that's a kind of your cotyledon. The activation of fatty acid through ATP dependent conversion of fatty acyl coenzyme A is catalyzed by the enzyme, that will be acyl coenzyme A kinase. Option D will be the correct one. Next, coming to question number 18. Which of the following is a class of simple protein? So simple protein involves the scleroprotein. Question number 19. Which of the following is a strong mutagen? So strong mutagen will be your carbon tetrasulfide. EMS also, ethyl methyl sulfonate or sulfide will be the mutagen, but here the carbon tetrasulfide will be the correct one. Question number 20. Which of the following statements is not true about DNA replication process? So here the option C, loading and activation of helicase in G1 phase is here. So that is not in G1 phase, that will be takes place in the S phase. So that is not correct option, is the option C. That's a correct one. Question number 21. Which of the following is not caused by rhizopus? So that will be your deterioration of your articles. So spoilage of food, degradation of litters, and production of antibiotics will be by your rhizopus. So during sexual reproduction cycle, Markansia, the reduction division takes place at the time of, so that will be your sporogenesis. During the formation of spore, you will get the sporogenesis. Question number 23. Two neighboring tracheids and vessels exchange safe flow through the pits. Option D will be the correct one. Question number 24. When more than one specimen or illustration are cited by an author as the nomenclature type without designation of holotype. Without holotype, that will be such type of designation will be your syntype. Question number 25 from the biostatistics. In a sample, 25 replicas where here n is equal to 25 and standard deviation, that will be your standard error, that will be your 0.16. So we need to calculate the variance. So the variance will be 0.80. Which of the following characters is not useful for identification of an individual chromosome? So for the individual chromosome that is not useful, that will be your mitotic index. Question number 27. The amino acid that is coded by a single codon, it's a very easy question, that will be your methionine is coded by a single codon, that will be AUG. Coming to question number 28. Which of the following is not required during beta oxidation of fatty acid? So that will be option C, ATP is the correct one. Question number 29. When chromosomal aberration occurs in both homologous or both homologs, so it is classified as homobranchial. Question number 30. Presence of an internal ribosome entry site, IRES, in eukaryotic mRNA. So here option B, that is it promotes its translation under adverse condition by recruiting new ribosomes. Question number 31. The ascus developed from the tip of the ascogenous hypha by crozier formation. Crozier formation, it's a kind of typical features in case of Neurospora. Question number 32. The leaves of pteris. The leaves of pteris are pinnately compound leaves. Next. Question number 33. The adaptive anomalous secondary growth of stem you will get in the Dracaena. So option B will be the correct one. Next. Sorry for the disturbances. So the option B will be the correct one. Coming to question number 34. The variance among the replicates of sample is not required to be determined for the estimation of coefficient of variation. Question number 35. Which of the following provides the signal to the ribosome for the attachment of the release factor? So that will be the termination codon will be the right one. So in the next video, in the part 2, we will discuss from question number 36 to 70. Thank you for watching.